Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions, where tech tips are simple and fun. This video, I will show you how to create a WhatsApp chat shortcut right on your Android home screen. This way, you can open your favorite chats instantly without scrolling through your contacts or chats list. Here's what we will cover. Step 1. Open WhatsApp and choose a chat. Step 2. Add shortcut from inside a chat. Option 1. Step 3. Add shortcut from chat list. Option 2. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open WhatsApp and choose a chat. Open the WhatsApp app on your Android phone. Scroll through your chat list and decide which conversation you want to add as a shortcut. Step 2. Add shortcut from inside a chat, which is our option 1. Tap on the chat to open it. Look at the top right corner and tap the three-dot menu. Select More. Tap Add Shortcut. Confirm by hitting Add, and the chat icon will now appear on your home screen. Step 3. Add shortcut from chat list. This is our option 2. If you don't want to open the chat, stay on the main WhatsApp chat list. Long press the chat you want. Tap the three-dot menu at the top right corner. Use Add Chat Shortcut. Confirm, and you will see the shortcut appear on your home screen instantly. And that's it. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend who's always on WhatsApp. And please don't forget to subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more quick tips. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Bye for now.